I'm Chris and this is Howard, and we live in a house in North London. We had a leak into the house and we didn't know where it was coming from, so Howard found HeliDrone on the internet, and we called Bob, who arranged a very prompt appointment to come with his magic drone, and he's done a very thorough film for us of our roof and of the guttering, of downpipes, and we're now downloading the photographs that he's taken and the video.
Yep, and we discovered a fault that we'd never have noticed otherwise, that there was a hopper from the guttering system and it's got standing water in it, which you couldn't see other than from above. And now we know what the problem is. It's been leaking out from that.